what's going on? We're here at Carver Elementary. Today is the last day of chess, and I have a phone call right now. Sebastian, what's up? I'll be right there. Stefan should be coming in right now. I just saw him right now. Yeah, I'll see you soon. All right, peace. As I was saying, today is the last day at Carver Elementary in Long Beach. We only have about 50 or 55 kids here, but I have donuts for them that I promised them. We're having a donut party, so I have like 5 dozen donuts in there, and then we have the trophies, the medals, everything. So yeah, let's pack up the cart and then get inside. Yeah, I gotta give them a donut party, I promised them. So, and then we're having broccoli next week. It's hot, kind of hot right now with the breeze, but I have to wear my jacket because I don't have my logo. I should get these logos on these, but anyway. Go over here to the kinder. Wait, hold on. We're going to sneak into the kinder. I'm not going to give it to them now, but I'm going to show them some. I have a secret surprise today, but I'm not giving it to you right now. It's the last day of chess, so we're going to pick our prizes. But I promised you guys a donut party. So later, you're going to come and get some donuts. Yeah. All right, so we're like halfway done with chess, but we had to look up a kid. He was in our chess program last session, not this session, but one of our policies is to never reject a child, never deny a child if they say they're in chess, and then we just verify. He's not in this session, but we're gonna let him stay because we know he wants to play chess, and I think it's because of the donuts, honestly, but it's all good. We let them play chess and have fun. We're gonna do the donut party right now. Okay, first and second graders, I have a surprise for you because you guys are awesome. We're having a donut party. I'm gonna bring the donuts at the snap of my fingers like this. Oh, there's no more for you guys. Just kidding. They're kind of fresh too, they're hot. Dude, Mr. Steve comes through again. Let's just use the napkins.
Why?
Yeah, but hold on.
What do you mean why? Just cause.
Yeah, because you're a good kid, man. You're a really good kid. I'm proud of you. Okay, move the queen back where it was. Okay. Okay, no, his king's in check. You're white, right? Yeah, so you got to get out of check. We just went back like 4 moves. It's not that hard.
Josh, I got a double check.
What? For real? Good job, man. Okay, if you want your donut, you got to follow me. All right, you guys like the donuts?
Yeah. I ate my whole donut.
You like the donut?
Yup, I do.
What do you like? Do you like the chess club?
And I ate the whole donut.
Really? You ate the whole donut? What do you like about the chess club?
Really, they sell prizes at the end of the day.
We don't sell them. We actually give them away for free.
They give them for free.
Yeah. You guys coming back to the chess club next year?
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you guys. It's gonna be 1 week straight, Monday through Friday for 3 hours. Get to learn chess, play chess. We're gonna have snacks and drinks. We're gonna have more prizes, and we might have a slip and slide party. And also on the last day, we have a pizza party. So if you wanna join, it's not gonna be here, it's gonna be down the street at another school. Summer chess camp, best in the world. These are awesome flyers, bro. What? That's cool, man. Where'd you get that?
For the first medal, let's give it up for Isabel Guadalupe with 2.5 checkmates.
Isn't she the one that was like, do I get a medal? Do I get a medal?
With also 2.5 checkmates, let's give it to Aiden McCauley.
Yes. You guys played in the Swiss, huh?
With 3 checkmates, let's give it for Bonnie.
Bonnie.
3 checkmates, Aiden Harrison.
Woo!
Good job. Michaela Zane.
Yeah, Michaela.
All right.
Hold
let's
on.
do a round for fourth place trophy. And this was a tie between Kyle and Kaito going for third and fourth place. But for fourth place, the round of applause for Kyle won.
Woo! Kyle.
For Kyle. So baby drum roll for third place. Drum roll for Kaito Aiko. Drum roll for Cora Hang. And last but not least, let's give a big drum roll. Jackson Portis. Let's go. All right.
Congratulations to all the trophy winners, medal winners, and those, even if you didn't get a medal, like I said, give me your info before you leave, and I'm going to bring a medal to you this week. Oh, yeah, you guys got to let's take a photo. Turn around. Barely fits. I don't know if that's going to fit. Hey, you want a donut? All right, that is a wrap. Carver Elementary is done. We finished this session and we're on to the next school. I think tomorrow's Saturday, what am I thinking? So that's a wrap. Carver is done with chess. So we have, I think, one more week or a week and a half left of chess until schools are over and we start the summer chess camp. Summer chess camp, the first one I think is the week of June 23rd. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends, and maybe we'll come to your school. If you're interested, go to trainchildrenchess.com or campchess.com to check out our chess camps that are happening in Torrance and Long Beach. If you're in New York, sorry, maybe we'll come there one day. Or maybe if you're in Australia, maybe we'll come there one day. Peace.